Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions and how they work on a lock screen in Xiaomi 13 Pro. To do this we'll need to open our settings. Now scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here we have gesture shortcuts. Let's check which of the options work on a lock screen. We'll start with launch Google Assistant, so you need to press and hold power button for half a second if you enable it. Let's see it on a lock screen. Yep, it works fine. Next one is take a screenshot, so you need to slide down 3 fingers down to make a screenshot, or use volume down plus power key to make that screenshot. Let's check them on the lock screen. We'll need to wake up our phone and try it. It works fine, and this also works nice. And let's go back. Partial screenshot, press and hold with 3 fingers to make a partial screenshot. Let's try it out on the lock screen as well. But this feature doesn't seem to work. Next one is launch camera, so you need to double press the power button to turn on camera and double press volume down when the screen is locked to turn on camera. Let's see the power key, it works fine, and then double tap the volume down key, it also works fine. Turn on torch, so we need to double press the power button to turn on flashlight, but we'll need to replace it with a camera feature, so let's do that. And it works fine as well. And last feature is a Backtab. And if we double Backtab, we can pick which function it will work as, and let's go for the launch camera maybe, and a 3 tap for Google Assistant. Now we need to lock our phone and then tap right here, I guess. Double tap doesn't work, and triple tap doesn't work. Let's try waking up our phone. Double tap. Okay, it works when your phone is when the screen is on, so it won't work until you at least turn on the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.